Good morning everyone, welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. I don't know what happened, but I had a small problem with OBS in YouTube this morning. It was hard to connect, I don't know what happened. I hope we have video and audio. Catalin, please tell me if everything is okay. I'll go on Bitcoin chart. Let's see if... yeah, let's see. Okay, seems like everything it's clear now. Okay, so today is Tuesday. We have Stefan today, day trading with Stefan, so you can join in I think 1 hour from now and ask more questions, lower time frame setups if will be the case. Some people prefer Stefan. He has a different approach than me. Is not so, let's say it's just different. Okay, until then let's do an overview, and I have the daily chart here, but I think the best one should be a different one, monthly chart. Look at it. For me, it's kind of indecision candle. We closed the monthly yesterday. We closed it red. Overall, not bad. Not bad, people. Look, last time. What happened? Look here. I don't think it's bad that we closed at 80 plus. I could see this month a week to the downside here to test this support. I don't know, 74, 69, we don't know exactly. And then to push higher? Yeah, possible. But I could see something like this back in the short reload zone, and here we'll decide if we want higher or we'll break down. I think we'll consolidate, do something like this, and then up. How high? I don't know. I'll let the market decide. I don't want to predict the market. I'm just stupid trader playing level by level. Yeah. But overall, this month was a nothing burger. Up and down, and actually closed kind of similar with February month. Let's see what April will give us. If we have volatility as traders, we can make money. If we'll push, Bitcoin will push here in 69, 70k, that will give us more opportunities to buy cheap altcoins. People, I know that everyone is depressed. Nobody wants to buy shitcoins. Yeah, I'll say it one more time. This is the best moment to buy shitcoins. I'm not saying to go on pump fund and buy shitcoins. I'm talking about the good shitcoins. Yeah, if you can call them like that. And we have some on this list. They are at the bottom, people. Why people are not buying them now or are not paying attention now, I don't fucking understand. You saw, everyone is seeing the chart, seeing that every time they reach that support level at the bottom, they bounced and nobody's interested. Crypto is a scam already. Well, we'll see. So monthly, it's looking like this. I don't think it's bad. Weekly chart. Weekly chart, again, we kind of had a double top here. We can do a W and push back in the short reload zone on weekly, or hopefully we'll do this level, because we want to resolve this problem here. I know people don't want to see Bitcoin here, but honestly I do. To see Bitcoin here 74, 69 in this area, Wyckoff check this level, consolidate and up. That will be classic TA chart retesting the previous support, and then to accept above 100 and 100, 110 and go higher. Maybe the market is so strong, you see Sailor Moon buying every Monday, every Tuesday, every time he has some money. Or maybe the market, it's possible that the market will not touch this level now and will push higher and higher. Who knows? But even to think about higher and higher, I need W's, and I don't see a W yet. We can form a W here, but it will take some time. Now, let's go back on our daily chart. And if you remember from Sunday, I made these two scenarios. Okay? The bullish one was retesting here in the long reload zone and then pushing higher and accepting above 88, 90, this green one. And then we have the other scenario here with a inverse head and shoulder. For the moment, you can see green is still valid in my opinion. If I want the Bitcoin chart to go down in the 70k area, that doesn't mean that will happen. I'm not allowed to have a bias and say, well, I'll see it here. No. For the moment, we are respecting the long reload zone. We are trying to form something here, a 3-bar fractal, a W. You can see the market is waiting here. If it will happen, why not? So that's my view on, for the moment, market stopped in the long reload zone, is consolidating on daily. If you go on 4-hour chart, you'll see the same. Okay? Look at it. Shoulder, head, shoulder, or here if you'll accept above this level, that's a W. So let's not ignore that. If the market will not accept above that level, will not form the W, then, well, okay, we can think lower. That's Bitcoin. Let's go back on daily and see Ethereum. We swept the lows here. Stefan, please tell me what we can see here. What could happen here? Everyone is bearish on Ethereum. Ethereum is at the support here. Yeah, everyone, well, Ethereum is dead. Fuck, I don't want to see Ethereum. Really? Well, I'll buy some Ethereum here on spot. Dollar cost average, but look at this one. And I'll show you on lower time frame what I see here. I'm already in. I didn't have the chance to post, to tell you, but I'm already long on Ethereum here. I'll show you the pattern in a couple of minutes after I'll finish the... I see it on lower time frame. You should see it. You can see what is here. On daily, we need some work to do. We need to accept above this level to form this big W, because it will be a W. Yeah? Technically, it's a W. Let's take this high. This low, you can see, is the lowest low. This is the neckline. This is the right part of the W. If we accept above 2100, then that's the W, and that will be the retest somewhere in here. Something like this. But to have this pattern, we need to accept above 2100. I'll wait for the daily W. Well, sorry, I'm here to day trade. I'm here to make money day in, day out. If I'm waiting for daily Ws, I'll make 2 trades a month. I cannot do that. So I'm already in from this level. What will happen exactly? Well, I don't know. I have a scenario like this in my mind. If, for example, we'll stop here at 2000 again and we'll reject, then new lows. So we have a bearish scenario also. For example, from this level, we'll go here $2,000, rejecting, and then making new lows. It's possible. It's there. It's in the chart. Let's do something like, put it red. I don't think it's red. I think it's yellow. But you get the idea. I bet on the long side this time. So that's Ethereum in my view. Let's clean it up a little bit. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. It's kind of similar pattern. It's trying to do something here on lower time frame. It's bullish? No. Could be just a dead cat bounce, a retest here? Most probably. Could change something. We are at the bottom on weekly chart. Yeah, it's the area where you want to see bounces, people. You want to see some violent moves to the upside. Look where we are on overall location. Yeah, I'm looking at a chart from 2015. 10 fucking years, people. You should respect this chart. Okay? Respect this chart. Will take months to bounce? Maybe. Will bounce and will come back down? I don't know. But this blue area, it's an area where you want to sell your Bitcoin for Ethereum. I don't care what influencers are telling you. I don't care what other people, well, Ethereum is dead. Okay. Maybe. Don't sell all your Bitcoin or don't sell your kidneys to buy Ethereum. It's up to you. Not a financial advisor here, but overall, I think we have a good location here. We need a W, that's for sure. Bitcoin dominance. Fake out outside from this range and accepting back below. I still think it's possible to push a bit higher in this short reload zone, but we don't know exactly how much we'll retest. What I know that if I'll see an EM, then I could think about altcoins outperforming. I don't see that EM for the moment. When I'll see it, I'll be more aggressive. Until then, scooping some altcoins from here, from there. I see, I don't know. I see Aevo, for example, at 10 cents. Well, was $4. I think I want a bit more. Not too much. Not selling kidneys kind of idea, but a little bit more. If I made some money yesterday and I know it's above average in day trading, well, let's take some Aevo. A little bit. Okay. Yeah, you can see Ethereum is pumping even now. My long from the morning, just before I took it just before the live stream. It's in profit now. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance. We talked about this chart. Well, we need to close this gap, no? People, we have a lot of classic gaps up and down, but look at this one. Stefan, what kind of gap is this one? I don't think the market will accept lower until we retest this one. I don't know, but I think this candle needs a retest. We'll see. For the moment, we are trying to close this gap from above, and we are in this gap. We are closing this big gap here. We have a gap below, but it's technically closed or is not closed. I think the best scenario here is range, but a big range from 90 to 80k and maybe lower. Altcoins on higher time frame. They are at the bottom, people. I don't want to say anything more about altcoins, but you can see no daily W's yet. We need new daily W's here. If you are aggressive and you think, well, let's find something else, well, you can think about 4-hour W's. We don't have 4-hour W's on most of them, but we are trying to build some. Ape, you can see the W. This is a W, people. It's there. This is a W on 4-hour chart. W on 4-hour chart. W on 4-hour chart. W, 4-hour chart. So some of them, look at this one, not the best, swept the lows, but you get the idea. Trying to make a W there. So I don't think it's the moment to be bearish on altcoins or to wait. If you see a W breakout and retest on 4-hour chart and you are a swing trader, take it. Select what you want to take. Bet on the strongest ones. Be careful on total risk. Don't put too much risk in your portfolio. You should have a limit. You can add more trades let's say you took 2 or 3 trades, you managed to get them in the break-even point, you eliminate the risk for your portfolio, and you can add more trades if you want. But don't put 10 trades with 1% risk, because you actually have a fucking big trade with 10% risk. You don't have anything else, and that's not risk management with 10% risk in the market. Okay, now I could go on the entire list, people. Look at this one. 4 hour W's forming now. It's Tuesday. Let's see what will happen. But I could see some setups. They are trying to do something. Could be just a fake out, yeah. That's why I said total risk. Look at them. They are coins with W's. Trying to do something. Look at Mana. Consolidating there. Look at Mina. Same. There are a lot of them doing the same pattern. Even Mubi is trying to do something. I could go on the entire list. On 4 hour chart, everything looks tasty. Looks. Let's see the breakout and then the retest. On daily, no. On daily, we still have to wait for a W. So if you are a kind of a slow trader, you are a position trader, well, give me a daily W. Okay, wait a little bit. It's not the time for you yet. But here I know a lot of swing traders, I know a lot of day traders, so we can be a bit more aggressive. If we know how to do it, we can make some money. That being said, TIA, for example. No W here on 4 hour chart. You can see TIA is different. SSV, small W. RSR, not the best. Anyway, let's take a look at lower time frame, people. I want to see Ethereum. And you can see what I see here. I hope you do. We hold this level within the swap, within the SFU. We are trying to accept here, and I have a inverse head and shoulder here. Classic one. Classic, nice one. You know me, what I love about when I want to see a head and shoulder, an inverse head and shoulder, I have a specific condition I want to see in the charts. Who can tell me? Advice, financial advice you want about Popcat? So let's go back on Ethereum. What's the condition I want for a convincing or for a valid head and shoulder? Stefan, you're not allowed to answer, motherfucker, because you know you work with me. I told you too many times. Yeah, Catalin is on the right track. So I want to see divergence specifically from the left shoulder to the head. If I see divergence, in this case bullish divergence, then for me it's a valid pattern. And we have exactly that. You can see low here, higher low here, and it's a confirmed bullish divergence already. There you go. So it's a valid inverse head and shoulder pattern. It's a bit more complicated, and I saw that multiple times. You'll see kind of a W in the left shoulder, a W in the head, and a W in the right shoulder. But it's technically valid and nice and clean. And I took it here. Okay? I took the trade here. My stop loss, it's a bit aggressive, but my stop loss is, let me show you how I framed the trade, because if I saw the trade here, was a different story, but was in the middle of the night for me. So I took the trade kind of here, come on, and I put the stop loss here. It's the safest stop loss? No, of course not. It's aggressive what I'm doing here, but the risk to reward is good enough for me to take it. Yeah, you can see 4 to 1. to even below $2,000, even just touching 61.8 short reload zone. So yeah, what you can do now, because well, you'll tell me, well, fuck it, Paul, you took the trade, but that doesn't help me. No. Well, you should wait for a retest in this area. Maybe even a bit deeper than my entry. Maybe lower, I don't know. But you get the idea. Don't chase. Wait for a retest below $1,850. Just below here. I don't know. Don't chase it here because you don't have the risk reward anymore. I took it. I saw the opportunity. I took it. I'll try again if will be the case. But this is a valid reversal pattern for me. Yeah. Well, when will invalidate this one? Well, you'll invalidate if you'll accept below this level. Okay? If you'll accept below this level, we'll invalidate the inverse head and shoulder. That's technically the way you invalidate a head and shoulder. For the moment, it's valid. Nice, clean. I see W's, even an OBV forming. I like it. What will happen exactly? I don't know. After I put the trade in the market, nothing I can do. Okay? So, I have my entry. I have OCO. When I put the entry, I have the stop loss and the take profit. Specifically the stop loss. Take profit, it's I could manage it differently. But when I put the entry here, I had the stop loss here. So, I will not change that. Okay. So that is what I see on Ethereum, what I have on Ethereum. You can wait for something like this. I don't know when this pump will stop because I think will stop. Will not go straight up. You can enter at the retest and then push something like this. Okay? So that will be your entry if you want to take the same trade like me. That's Ethereum. Let's see Bitcoin. If you remember, 5-minute chat. If you remember, yesterday I tried multiple times to take a fucking short. And I initially, this is the last one I took. Initially I tried here and this candle stopped me out. And then I said, fuck it. I played it once. Let's play that. I played it with the 0.5 and I tried again another time. So I just took a 3-to-1. Yeah. Let's put a 3-to-1 here. Actually here in this it was below 3-to-1, something like this. And these lows here. Recovered my loss, made a bit of profit, and that's it. Okay. Nothing special yesterday in the New York session. Overall, if you look back, well, was a valid SFU, but was difficult to play because high SFU, another SFU, another SFU. Look at them. So we SFU this level, then we broke down. Well, break even. We can move our stop loss at scratch. Okay, back up, back down, back up. Another SFU and another SFU, and then it was classic for a Monday. Classic for market makers hunting liquidity and fuck around with everyone so nobody could be in a profitable trade. Well, that's 5-minute chart. Let's go back on 1 hour, people. Let's see what we have on 1 hour. I honestly want Bitcoin here in the long reload zone, but it's not about what I want. Technically, we are consolidating this level and we can push higher. Could be a fake out? Well, could be a fake out. But if you take the highest level, you can see this is the first stop. We fight at this level and for the moment, seems like the market wants to push higher. We don't want to accept below this level. I still have the shark in the market, waiting. Nothing I can do with that. But also I could see the market pumping here. Pumping where? 87 in this area. If we'll accept about 88, well then it's something different because we'll change the structure in the market and any retracement will be a buying opportunity. For the moment, it's Tuesday. Let's see what will happen. Let's watch the market. We don't want to predict what will happen. So if we'll accept here, we can think this area. And it's okay to assume that we'll reject from this level. So maybe we'll find a short idea. If we'll accept back below here in the long reload zone, then we should think long. And we should think this SFU levels and play long. Here we are kind of in the middle of nowhere. 84, I don't know. Because I prefer Bitcoin, I prefer Ethereum, that's why. It's better, and that's kind of an ugly range. It's not the same pattern like on it's not as clear as you see it on Ethereum. But yeah, it's possible to push one same kind of thinking one to one, because that's how you calculate. Let's assume this is the neckline. Yeah. Same thinking. Pushing here in the resistance, retesting the initial EMs here. Let's see what will happen. If we'll accept above this high, then yeah, we can think that. But this here will be a shorting opportunity on lower time frame. Why? Well, if you take this swing high and this swing low, this is the short reload zone exactly here. I'll short because I have the location now. I need an EM here. I need something more. I need a general setup there to get me short. I'm not a big fan of shorting Bitcoin and Ethereum. But if I'll see a clear setup, well, the time frame is low enough, so I could do it. Well, we talked Bitcoin, we talked Ethereum. Aevo. Well, you can see the same pattern here, people. 1 hour, 4 hour chart. This one has even a classic setup here. Yeah? General setup. Capo 1, you are learning the general setup this week. Okay? So we have location, first thing on 1 hour. We have bullish divergence, confirmed bullish divergence. Second reason. Okay, let's put the bullish divergence there so we can see it. All of us. Bullish divergence. There you go. Where will that bullish divergence confirm? Well, exactly here. It's confirmed. Yes, even retested. So we have two reasons. What is the third one? W. Well, we kind of have some W's here. We kind of have a range. But if the market will do something like this, come on, then yeah, we can think higher and we can think in this area, and probably we have a 2 to 1 from this consolidation until here in the short reload zone. So frame the trade if you want, or don't. It's up to you. Yeah, the guy with the Popcat. I just repeatedly told you that I'm not a financial advisor. Popcat, shitcoin. Could go to zero tomorrow, I don't care. I made money on Popcat at the beginning. I'll look at Popcat at the request at the end. So, you can see. Take it with a grain of salt because I'm a fan of Aevo, but the pattern is there, the trade is there. You don't like Aevo? Go and look for the same setup on other altcoins. You don't have to stay on Aevo. Maybe you want something else. I don't know. Dimension? Similar pattern. You can see? Jupiter, maybe? Nah, no. Jupiter looks like shit, actually. Well, I could show you another one. Solana, look at it. Same pattern. Consolidating here. We talked about this trade here. If you took it, you are at the entry. If you didn't took it, well, you have the chance to do it now. Let's see Tau. We swept the lows. So we need something else here. You get the idea. E-gold. No. Stop me out on that trade. So take it or leave it. That's Ethereum. what I have on Ethereum. You can play with lower time frame. I don't know, 5-minute chart. I think you can do it, or even 3-minute chart. Holy Grail, yeah. People that they have Holy Grail access, premium member, VIP members, you have access. Or if you are not a premium or a VIP member, but you did Kappa 1 or Kappa 2, you should have permanent access. And you can see, it's trying to tell us something. We'll know better after we'll accept above this high. Yeah, so accepting above and then retesting and giving an entry with Holy Grail, that will be the best way to trade with Holy Grail on 5-minute chart. Okay? If someone took the entry here, well, good for you. You are break even almost. Well, let's take a look at Popcat. Popcat. Financial advice on Popcat. Come on. Be real. Where the fuck I could find Popcat? No, I'm not looking at Popcat there. I'll look at Popcat here. Give me Popcat. I guess this is the one. I'll see because I have a lot of... yeah, this is the one. Daily chart. Man, I made money with Popcat here. I told you, specifically told you here and here, don't fucking touch it because. Now you can see it's consolidating. We have a chance to pump a little bit. When the next altcoin, meme coin cycle will come, maybe we'll pump. But from 19 cents, market cap is still too big, man. Look at it. So from 19 cents, you can go to 1.9 cents. From 1.9, you can go from 0.9 cents. So you can go back down here at 1 cent and lower. Look at the original. We didn't retest this blue area 3 cents, 4 cents. So to tell you here, go and buy it, no. Invest, no. It's a shit coin. It's a coin. As a 1 hour trader, well, you have the same pattern, man. You have the same pattern like on everything else. You can see W here. If you want to take a trade, up to you. It's on Binance. I don't know. They are on multiple exchanges. Think AB equals CD? I think you have. So thinking AB equals CD, but keep in mind, that's a fucking trade. If will hit your stop loss, get the fuck out. Financial advice? Nah, never. I'm not a financial advisor, man. Just a stupid trader trading my own money. You can see an AB equals CD is pointing out here. 30 cents. Will happen? I don't know. But the risk reward is there. That's for sure. If you take a trade here, you have a double breakout and retest. People that they are traders, they know how to frame a setup. Not exactly ready here, but almost. Risk reward is there and it's nice, but it's a simple trade, nothing more. I don't see a reversal. I don't see something. But for a trade, to think an AB equals CD, there you go. You can see you have a 5.5. So could be something there. Okay? But don't consider it financial advice. If you want to invest in something, I don't know, make a plan. Don't ask people on YouTube or Twitter or Discord where to buy and how to buy it. Make a plan and then ask others' opinions if you want. If you want to join us on Road to Financial Freedom and see our plan, more than welcome. You can make a copy of the spreadsheet. It's a professional one. It's a good one. It's up to you. Now, that's Popcat. Anyone wants something else? Any other requests? Let's go back on... let's see, watch list, strong shitcoins, and we had Titan. If you remember yesterday, Bochan said something about this shitcoin. Yeah? And you can see it's still strong. Bochan said he wants lower. He wants, I don't know, half of the market cap. I said I bought 1 million market cap. If it's a serious shitcoin, should pump from here. Look at the volume. This fucking volume is telling me a story, and I will listen to the story. Yeah? You can see this? Look at the red candles, look at the green candles. It's all I need to know. Market cap at 1 million or below, and big green dildos. I'll raise some money. I changed some Solana for this one. It's guaranteed that will succeed? No. This one could go to zero until before I'll end this live stream. So I manage my risk properly. But I have some exposure and I want this one to show me something. As easy as is going to zero, can go to zero in no time, the same way can go to 10 million. So I have the risk reward. Bocian told me, well, they are trying to do something. It's not just a meme coin. Okay, let's give him a chance. It's just a trade. I didn't sold my kidneys yet. So, small amount. Well, you have a setup there, Jade, on Tao, for example. We need more. Of course we need. Huh? Let's put 1 hour. You have a setup here on Tao? I don't see it. Huh? We need something more. I mean, I need something more price action to give me a setup to think long. Or you want to play the SFU? Well, if you played the SFU, okay. If you didn't play it, it's too late now. And I don't see a setup yet. I could see exactly like on Ethereum, an inverse head and shoulder forming here. You can see the same pattern here. But we are in the middle. We didn't confirm the inverse head and shoulder. We are above this. Let's assume that this is the left shoulder, but actually, if you look properly, you want something like this on Tao. So we need more price action, Jade. Okay, something like this. Okay. No more requests? Nothing? Everyone knows what to do? Then it's all good. In half an hour, Stefan, please tell us if you'll do the live stream. Confirm it here in the chat. Nothing to tell you new about Griffin, Jade. If you have the tendency to look every moment at the same chart, it's up to you. But nothing new I could tell you about Griffin. It's in the same place like yesterday. You see something new? I don't see anything new. I don't see a W. I don't see... Come on, get the fuck back down. 4 hour chart. Come on. Yeah. Give me a W. And then maybe I'll think about it. But seeing this ugly M, that's ugly. Ugly as shit, that M. You don't know how ugly it is, Jade. Experienced traders know what I'm trying to say here. Yeah, look at it. Look how much price action we need to get the other side of this fucking trend line. And that's a valid one. Yeah. Yeah, we can bounce here. But until I'll see price the other side of this trend line, Spot, dollar cost average, or I don't want to do anything else. I don't want to trade there. Okay. So Stefan, in 20-25 minutes will start the live stream. People, this is an unusual live stream. I'm talking every day. please go and retweet when Stefan will post. Yeah? Stefan is doing only one live stream every week, so I think we can gather together and repost his live stream. Okay? Seapool. Okay. Jade, you are old enough here to tell me more than Seapool. Huh? You're old enough here. Tell me only Seapool. Daily. On daily location, and that's about it. Nice location, 78.6. Divergence, I don't see an OBV, not yet. Nice location. This will be the double if you'll accept above 70 cents. Breakout and retest. You need to wait. Similar. Like I showed you on Griffin. If you are a position trader, because I don't consider you a swing trader yet, Jade. You need a lot of work to do to become a swing trader. Okay? Similar, look at this. This was too aggressive. This is the big M. So this is the trend line. W on daily, the other side of the trend line, and maybe you have a chance. I don't want you to trade below daily, Jade, because you are not able to trade below daily chart. Finish Capo 1, stay in the practical part, practice, polish your plan, and maybe after that you'll be able. With low risk first and then with more risk. But now you are not able to swing trade. Okay. That being said, 4 hour chart or 1 hour chart, you have the same double like and everything, but uglier than the rest. Looks a bit stronger than the rest, but the double here, you need a retest here. I don't recommend you to trade or to swing trade. I told you and I'll tell you again. Double the other side of the trend line, I think is the best solution here. That being said, because Stefan has another live stream pretty soon, let's call it a daily crypto plan live stream. See you in the New York. It's open for everyone, all the Discord members that get verified, and it's easy to get verified. You just go and push a button and you have access in the New York session for today. So see you there. I'll be in the chat with Stefan. Okay. Don't I don't know, give up at the end of the retracement here, because we are close to the end, and to I think we are already in the opportunity, even on lower time frame, some opportunities here. I bought altcoins the last 2 weeks on the last chance challenge. I added to my bags, and I'll probably do it again this week. I don't know, we'll see. See you people next time. Bye bye.